सर लाइव कर दिया मैंने.
कर दिया? Okay.
Okay, we are live, I think, on LinkedIn and YouTube. Guys, hi everyone. Please let us know in the
Hi
chat.
everyone.
Can you let us know if you can hear us loud and clear? That would be very helpful.
Okay.
So I'll also double check on my end.
Guys, if you can just confirm whether you can hear us loud and clear.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Shubnam, for confirming. Rachit says yes. Thank you. I can. Some background noise is there from your side, Aditya.
On my side?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the common area. 1 second.
Okay. So welcome back to this live project session, guys. Every week we are conducting at least one project in data and in software. Those projects are completely free. You can do all those projects via our sandbox platform, get it certified from us, and you can learn in the process. So if you can let us know from which location you are dialing in today. So I'm currently dialing in from downtown Toronto in Canada. So if you can also let us know from where you are dialing in today, what is your location, and also let us know that what role exactly you are targeting.
Yep. And guys, I'm in Miami, Florida. So yeah, I'll also add my location in the chat box. Okay, let's see where. So people are dialing from Jersey City, New Jersey. Okay. So Rachit, I see you're currently at New York Institute of Technology. Have you graduated or are you still studying there? Okay, Nick says other side of the pond from you, Dr. Amit Lal. I'm in the Rochester, New York. Okay.
Other side of the pond from here. Okay, from India. So Fatima, where from India? From which location? Are you a student? Are you looking for a job? What you're doing right now? Rachit says I have graduated. Thank you, Rachit. So guys, we just wanted to let you know that we have also started a pilot program in which we are connecting with people one on one and helping them in their job search process, specifically for students, because we know that student faces a lot of challenges in terms of networking and looking for referrals and all these things. And so we'll be one on one connecting with people so that we can, although it is very difficult to meet everyone, but we can definitely consider a few people that, and we can meet them, and we can have a good interaction with them. So do message Aditya if you wish to connect with us. We'll be happy to connect with you, specifically if you're a student. That's what I'm saying, that if you're a student, you're studying somewhere in the data domain, in the software domain, do let us know. We'll be happy to connect with you, help you out in your job search process or in the internship process, whatever you're looking for right now. So it will be fun. I'm really excited to meet few people. We have already met few, and those interactions were really good. And we are even devoting certain resources for them. For example, fixing their resume, fixing their LinkedIn, and will not be charging anything for that. Also, it will be free. Okay, Himanshu says, guys, if you can just repost this event, and if you can just let me know in the comment section that you have reposted it, because we always conduct these sessions completely free. There is a whole team who devotes time in building these projects, taking up your queries. So if you can just, that really motivates us. If you can just share it with your in your own connections, you can post this. If you can just let us know. uh, okay, Fatima says this would be wonderful. I did a boot camp, worked on a couple of the projects, but finding difficulty. Okay, Fatima, no worries. You can definitely let us know, and we'll be happy to connect. Are you still a student on a boot camp, or you are now full time looking for a job? Do let me know also that. And guys, if you can just repost this event and let us know in the comment section that um, that you have reposted, reshared in your own connections, that would be great. That is the only thing we ask for whenever we conduct these live sessions. So Aditya, I just introduced them to our pilot program, that you can let us know that we can connect with them one on one. Specifically, those who are a student, we'll be happy to connect with them.
Yes, and actually, guys, we started connecting. We got a lot of requests from the last session, so we chose like three candidates to connect. But again, if you want to connect one on one, simply send us a connect request on LinkedIn to myself or Dr. Amit Lal, and just mention that hey, you'd like to connect on a one-on-one call, and we'll share our calendars with you. And we'll pick a few candidates to go ahead, and then candidates that we picked last week, we help them with resume review, LinkedIn, career guidance as well. And I can see that small conversation of 15-20 minutes. I think it was very beneficial for a few candidates. Okay, so are we good to move ahead with the project?
Yes, we can start.
Yes. Okay, so let me share my screen. Give me just 2 minutes and then we can get started. Okay.
Gayatri says, "Hi Amit, I'm Gayatri and will be graduating in May 24. I am looking for FTA opportunities in the mid May. Can you please help me how to get connected with one on one meeting with you?" So, Gayatri, if you can message me or Aditya after this session. And it's my humble request to everyone, if you can just repost this event, so that more and more people will get aware about what we are doing and how we are doing it. Uh, so, that would be great. And
Okay,
if you can, Gayatri, also let me know from which university you are graduating right now, what you are studying right now, and in which university.
okay.
Megha says, I am Megha and 4+ experience and moved to USA recently. So, Megha, if you are looking for a job, you can definitely consider our ISA program, because where we help all the people who are eligible to work in US, we help them in their job search process. So you can attend either one of those jobs info sessions, or you can just enroll into that program. You can file your application, and then we can look into it.
Mhm.
Okay.
So are we good to? Okay, guys, let's move ahead to this session. I'm just checking one quick thing. Okay, we're all set here. Okay, guys, so let's get started with today's session. As you all know, or probably some of you may know, because you're repeat users, that in this particular session, we are going to do a live project on software development, right? Where we'll be developing something from scratch. The objective is to give you hands on work experience so that you can share this experience on your resume, your LinkedIn profile. You can talk about it in your interviews. You can create your own portfolio. Okay. So in this particular project, basically the project name is CalcMaster, crunching numbers with Finesse. I'll get into details of this particular project, but let's jump into a quick introduction of both myself and Dr. Amit, as well as a quick introduction of High Counselor. Okay, so a little bit about my background. I did my engineering back in India in 2012, then came to Duke University in 2015 for my master's degree. After doing my master's from Duke, I got my very first job at PricewaterhouseCoopers in Chicago. Worked there for about 1 year and then moved to Deloitte Consulting in San Francisco. Worked there for about 3.5 years. Also, I was part of Deloitte recruitment team, so recruited a lot of entry-level software engineer, data scientists, and Salesforce consultants. And that's when I started getting interested in this direction. So in 2020, I left my job to start High Counselor. And in the last 3 years, the company that started with just two people, we are now 40 plus full-time team members, and we are backed by a bunch of VCs, angel investors, and edtech entrepreneurs in the US. So that's a little bit about me. Dr. Amit, would you like to go next?
Yeah, so my name is Dr. Amit. I'm head of business operations at High Counselor. So I did my bachelor's in computer science, and after that, I did my MBA program in marketing, and my minor was human resources. I did my PhD program in marketing research from the same college where me and Aditya met. I was one of the alumni of Research Summer School from IIM Ahmedabad. I had a lot of experience from the corporate sector. I worked with companies like Wipro, Reliance, ICICI Bank. I also have a 10 years plus experience, formal teaching experience at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. I have a good following of 100K subscribers on YouTube as well. And so this is just a little bit about me, apart from a lot of other stuff which we do. But at High Counselor, we right now we are more into job search process, internship process. So if you're, and we also conduct like these sessions which we conduct, and I have getting a lot of messages, Aditya, also that people, when we offer subscription on our platform, they get confused. So let me just clear it one point over here, that all these live sessions are completely free.
Mm-hmm.
Subscription model is only for those people who want to do a lot of projects. So let's say you want to build 5 projects, 10 project into your domain, because we have more than 90 projects now on our platform.
Mm-hmm.
So don't get confused. This session is free. It the only subscription fees, if we ask for anyone from anyone, it is when somebody wants to do more projects from our platform.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, let's jump into this. A quick overview of High Counselor.
Mhm.
So basically, when I left Deloitte, the objective was to solve problem of these entry level job seekers or people who are in like entry to mid level. Biggest reason that they struggle to land interview calls and jobs is because they lack hands on work experience. Because of this, because people lack hands-on work experience or industry experience, employers don't get confidence whether it's worth enough to invite them for interview. And even candidates who get interview calls, they find it really challenging to crack those interview calls because they are unable to connect between what is the business requirement or the business problem and how to solve it using the technical skills that they studied, right? This was the major challenge. So we thought the simple solution would be if we can provide work experience to people. So at High Counselor, we help uh, people who are in entry level, people who are transitioning in career, looking for a better job, gain more work experience through real world projects and through remote internships. So real world projects, this is the example. There's another way that suppose if you're looking for a software developer job, but your resume and CV has no experience about software development, then we can help you get a remote internship of 2 to 6 months in which you can work with a startup or with a mid-sized company as a software developer, get that real experience and put it on your profile, and that will give you an unbeatable advantage. Okay, the roles that we support right now is software engineering and data science in our for providing you work experience. So whether you're looking for a front end, back end, full stack role, iOS, Android developer, we'll be able to help you with everything. And data science, we can help you in data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, BIA, or the business analyst roles. The pricing is for the projects platform, we have a subscription fee of $50 per month and $149 for 6 months. Again, to emphasize on Dr. Amit's point, today's project is absolutely free. You don't have to pay. But suppose if you want to build a bigger portfolio of your project and want to impress recruiters and hiring managers, then you can take monthly subscription. Similarly, remote internships. If you want an internship and gain some experience, there's a fixed fee of $500. Right now, there is a 20% discount available on both projects platform as well as remote internship. So feel free to use code SAVE20 on the checkout. Okay. Now, these are some of the success stories that we have. Uh, we recently helped when the candidates land the internships through our projects platform. These are some of the companies that we have. We have more than 60 companies for remote internship on our platform. These are just some of them. And we have companies in the US, Canada, Middle East, India, as well as Australia and the European region. Coming back to our live project now. Okay, so as I said, the purpose of this live project is to give you hands-on work experience, give you better knowledge so that you will be successful in your full-time job search. So at the end of this project, those who complete this project successfully will get a certificate of completion, and there are other rewards as well. Project description. First of all, let's learn about this project. So basically in this project, you'll create an interactive calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This comprehensive guide will empower you to build a fully functional calculator, honing your skills in event handling, user input, and basic arithmetic operation. This hands-on experience ensures that you have a deep understanding of web development fundamental, promising a feature-rich and visually appealing calculator. So we have all used calculator. Now it's the time to build that calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And I think you can use this project first to increase your coding understanding or coding capabilities, and second to utilize it as your portfolio. Now, this project is divided into three different tasks so that you can move in a step-by-step manner. And the top three position holders will get this. The number one position holder will be featured on Times Square, New York. So if you haven't been to New York, there is a big area called Times Square. You will be featured on a big billboard over there. You can always utilize it in your future conversations with recruiters on your LinkedIn profile that you won a coding competition, and that's how you landed over there. The second person will get a LinkedIn premium subscription, and the third person will get a 50% discount on a remote internship platform. Okay. Throughout this project, Dr. Amit and I will be your functional mentors, and Chirag will be your technical mentor. You'll be able to ask any questions related to this project if you face any issues, and then our technical team will jump in to help you out. Okay, now how to get started? The process is very simple. You simply go to our website, highcounselor.com. Right at the top, you'll find an option called projects over here. When you go to projects, you'll find the very first project, CalcMaster, over here. Dr. Amit, would you like to give a quick overview?
Yeah, I'll go.
Okay.
Just for 1 second, I'll share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see it. Yep.
Okay, to start this project, it's a very simple process. Go to highcounselor.com and you have this tab called projects over here. Just click on this. Uh, you can see we have already 91 projects on our platform, and this is across different roles. So you can check also different roles we have. But right now we are doing this project, that is CalcMaster. So how we can start this project? You can just click on this and it will ask you to sign in. So I have already made my account over here. But if you're a new user, you can click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, you can fill in your basic details and you will get your login credentials on your email. After that, use your user ID, password, and log into this particular page. Click on the project, and once you click on the project, it will show you all the details, project description, different tasks, different modules, everything. Now, if you want to start this project, just click on go to sandbox. Once you reach to sandbox, you can click on the plus button, and you can add this particular project. As soon as you will add, it will take around a minute so that it gets loaded, and when it's get loaded, it will say open sandbox, just like my last project is saying. Right, we started this project last week, that is on Sudoku. Right, and so if you're opening it for the first time, you might not be seeing all these things because I have started so many projects. That's why it is showing up in my account. Otherwise, you will only be seeing the project which you are starting. Okay. Any confusion till now? If you can just post it. Very simple. Go to highcounselor.com, click on projects, create your account, sign in, s- start your project, go to sandbox, click on the plus button and add the project. Okay. And it's almost done. Okay. So once it's done, we can just click on open sandbox. Okay, so now you can start your project. So these are the different tasks you have. What are the various tasks you're supposed to do? Your sandbox environment is getting loaded. Just going back. Okay, so the project started. You can see here you have a browser also to search something. You have a leaderboard which helps you in seeing what is happening right now. How many people have already started it. There is a live feed going on. How many people are completing the project? So you can check everything from here. Apart from this, there is a very interesting this button which is called as the invite button. So if you click on this, you can invite your friends, you can write their email IDs, you can copy that link. And just to let you know that if you want to win prizes, you want to be on the leaderboard, you have to be accurate, you have to be efficient in terms of doing your task, as well as you have to invite people. And when I say invite people, I'm talking about relevant people. It is not invitation sending randomly here and there. So
Yep.
if you invite people and they join the platform and they do something on the project, definitely that point will be counted on your account. Okay. So, and if you have any report, like any problem, anything else, I guess you can now share that also, right? If you have any feedback, you can share your experience and feedback with us also.
Yep.
Any doubts in this? Is it clear? Anything I'm missing out, Adit?
No, I think we've covered everything. I think we still have to add a button called report an issue. Can you see
I
it?
see this here.
Oh, you can see it? Okay,
Yeah,
okay, perfect.
you can type your title, you can write
Yes.
your description, you
Yes.
can email,
So,
you
guys,
can
we
add
have
your
added this.
screenshot also. And this is also we have done after taking feedback from you guys. So
Exactly.
thank you so much.
Anytime like you face any issues, right, you think that there is a bug, or because a lot of times when we are unable to complete a task, we like entry level candidate assume that there is a bug, right? So we want to help you out, so take a screenshot of it, report that to us, or if you think it's easier, simply open Zoom, record your screen, whatever issue, upload and share that recording with us, right? Share that recording URL, and we'll go through it. A technical team member will get in touch with you and will help you out.
So guys, if you can, due date of completion is a week from here right now. Like if we are starting on 11th, it will be completing on 18th. Okay. So guys, if you can just let us know, is the process is clear? How to start the project? How to get enrolled into the project? If you can just confirm by saying yes, and if it is not clear, I can, like, we can have a walkthrough again. But this video is getting recorded on YouTube also, so you
Yes.
can go back in the live section of our YouTube channel, aditya.highcounselor. Go to that YouTube channel. Himanshu says yes. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you for confirm. And for so Aditya, if you can let them know that how they can contact us. But now I believe we have that report issue, so people
Yes,
can now
that
report it.
is. Yep.
Now
I
they can
think.
report it. We don't need to like go to YouTube or comment section.
Okay. So,
Are you able to see the comments or no?
no, somehow it gets delayed on my end. I'm refreshing my screen. Whenever
Okay.
I refresh it, I get it. But if I don't refresh it, I don't see it. I don't know what's the issue. Let me.
Is the browser is updated? Maybe the browser is also one of the reasons, I believe.
Hmm,
This
one
could be one of the
second.
reasons. Okay, no worries. I'll take the questions. So, guys, if you have any queries now, you can post it in the comment section. I'll be happy to take all your queries. If you face any issue, technical issue, post it on that report option now. So you
Yep.
can post there. And if you want to let us know anything else about the feedback, about the project, the level of project, you can write in the comment section of the YouTube video.
Okay, I'm trying to see it on my phone. Okay, so this is okay, guys. I've already got a few requests from some of you to connect one on one. So I'll definitely share my calendar with you guys to schedule, and you can pick a time for some time. For tomorrow would be a good time, or probably Monday. So I'll share my calendar, and then let's connect, and we'll be happy to see how we can help you out, right? Or share any thoughts or the ideas that we have. And again, if more people want to reach out, feel free to send myself or Dr. Amit a connect request with a brief message that if you want to connect. Okay, I don't see any new comments coming in. Dr. Amit, do you see anything?
I'm also not seeing. I get only one. What will be the procedure to after the project is completed? What should I have to go through? So once your project is completed, you will be able to download the certificate. And if you are a part of our subscription platform on this, then you can also create your own portfolio page and you can share it with employers. Uh, and you can do all the projects along with the like our support also. We provide hints and solutions to if you're getting stuck somewhere, we can help you out in that also. Okay, Satwik, thank you. Any other question, guys? Okay, so I guess we are good. No more questions, which I'm not able to see that. uh,
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
guys.
guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining in.
Yep. Thanks for joining, and we'll look forward to seeing messages from you and would love to help you connect and help you guys. Thanks. Bye.